Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Hassan. Today I have come, at Mikutu Botanical Garden. You know that today our special friendship day, which already has been celebrated on 13 July, but we had a exam, that's why we didn't celebrate. Afterwards today, with my coaching teacher, all of bestmates, my senior, junior friends, as well as my teachers, we have come Botanical Garden. You know that if I say about Botanical Garden, it has been established in 1961. It's a very difficult and tranquil place and lush greenery place. So I wanna looking. I wanna share the views is totally different. So you are watching. This is all of my teachers, and there is
Let's go inside the
thousands of species of trees as well as different tranquility place. And if I say there are many flower trees, so come to me. The view, our Sean brother very naughty, he's a very naughty boy. So look at him. So we are going to the this is the left side. If you go,
No
there is
need
a
to.
big place, and you can see there is many. There are many different of flowers tree as well as. And look at them. That's it, left side. So it's very. Don't know the flowers name. So
You should go girls side. Girls.
there are our sisters. All of sisters are also some is also available, but I shouldn't go there. And they are making sports sometime after it will be done. So we are going to inform. So come to me. The botanical garden is totally perfect for one. As a student, as an employee, we are always busy. So that so we have no more time we need to transfer place as well as relaxment. So for working purpose, get together with family, with friends, and with the party. So there is a energy. But actually, this uncommon tree. So it's a different. You can see. And oh my God, there is a big tree. Already I said, and please share. This is the position. This is the sports hour. Sometime after it will happen. So already from our team, there was 11 team. From our team already we have given a participate who has joined for the next sports, and we will perform after some time. So this is the left side and the front row plane. And, amazing. It was this is the last greenery area. I know that the grace it's much comfortable. And so we are going to the surrounded with it. And this is if I say botanical garden is not like a small place. If I say this is 80 hectares space in a in the surround botanical garden. So there is the mango tree as well as the many flower trees. So so after some time I will go another place, then I will make a video. And this is the interval sign. If you go there afterwards, this is the mini place, and there is a bridge as well as pond available. And this, inside the botanical garden, the center of the botanical garden, there was one pond. It's a very different pond and surrounded by wall. So we'll visit after some time. So friends, you should support me, and already I shared. So let's go. Our play already started sports, so we should go there and make a video. It's a very enjoyable moment,
Yeah.
but it's the weather much hot. Actually, I didn't want to come here at morning, but afterwards, all of the visited the hostel. Then they forced us. If we wouldn't have come today, so we have to pay fine. Then, hey Malika, what happened? They are always they are taking the rest. Also our ma'am, also our teachers, they are very excited. Please look at them. All of people, their eyes has been locked by the cover, so it's a very special. Actually, I didn't play this one. Please share this account. Okay. Already, so this is the.
Bajit, are you
I
here?
don't know the sports name.
Bajit,
But
brother.
today also I am excited
It's
for
called-
looking at this. So already we're watching the all of participants. Their eyes have been covered by the floor. So different places. So it was very excitement. And all of our teachers, they are they will manage this sports of different. So dears, after some time we will make a video. Then we'll share next session. So that's it. Viewers, our first sports has been finished, so now is preparing for all of participants for next sports. So I don't know what type of sport they will play again. So it is also there are all of people. Their eyes have been covered by cloth. So it's very different. You can see everyone is sleeping. How is your opinion today? It's a very like excitement.
Yeah, I'm very excited about this event because this is for first time I came here to join this program.
Friendship day, but now it is raining. So I think sometime after we have to leave. So I am going to like another side. Hey, Mr. Shami, please come to me. Mr. Shami, how is your opinion today? Friendship day. Happy Friendship Day.
Many people
Truly speaking, that friendship is nothing. You don't need any lot of friend in your life. You have select only one.
It's like a on kind of issue, like we make a for the celebrating time. Already, you know that 13 July Friendship Day has been finished. So today, for the celebrating purpose, we have come here.
Yeah.
So next
Like,
sports for
I will
so
give you.
looking.
I will give you one suggestion for you. You should get married. After that, your wife will be your friend. It is a good.
It's not true. As a Muslim, we should after getting married then true. So our participant, all of participants, they are already prepared. So you are all of looking the all of participants. Our ma'am also. So from our team, this Nahid has joined participant for the this is sports. So, but there the box available. The sound is very bad.
টিম মেম্বাররা সবাই সাইডে চলে যান টিম মেম্বাররা সকল টিম মেম্বাররা সবাই সাইডে চলে যান
Our so you are looking that everyone already prepared. So, but some time ago something is wrong. Some couple have came.
No. Sometimes we got the first prize, but they didn't give us. They make it again.
But something it was wrong because of some a couple they were sitting they sit on the grass on the field. Afterwards some people they were running afterwards on kind of they fall down the on the beside them. Then they were angry afterwards. They have left. So dear audience, so I was looking.
Hey, hello guys. Are you okay?
Our all of participants there were excitement. Also there is a like 8 boys and beside there are girls, so it's together. But in the middle point there are a space of trees. So our Nabila ma'am, she is giving some advice and she is convince them how to play, how to control, because of much people are much excited. Sir, you should start, man. So I should go there, from there, because of so all of them have teachers. So very excited. I should remove the place, otherwise they will attract me. So can you imagine this place? It is already raining. I have wet full body already. I was sweating. Because of the weather is much hot, I'm sweating already as well as it is raining. But this is a disgusting on soundbox. This sound is not clear. Our authority has collected. Maybe it is free, right? Isn't it is free, man. But they have like the brown box, but today they didn't take.
Quality is not good. Like
My phone already it is waiting. So viewers, already our sports has started, but first of all they are making confused our ma'am or Samir Rahman Mitali ma'am, but they already confused. This already they changed. They thought this is the left side or right side. They can't understand who is the left side, right side, and in front. So already they lost the location where they have to go. So everyone is excited. But first of all, 2% because of yes, road is. Stop. So our participant is going. She is going. No, our participant. So people. So already. Yes. No, behind. Level. Yeah, in front. No. In front. No. In front. Yeah, run. In front. Yeah. So already she got the chance. So already she fall down on the tree. It's just very. Oh my God. Oh my. So it was very so.